Hi, before we start and showing how the system works, I wanted to show the system that you will know the system and understand what we are doing. Web2Application is a platform to convert website into Android and iOS apps. So basically, anybody with a website can take his website, put inside our system. We can connect his WooCommerce or website, and he can just create an app. And we help him with that. Now, for our case, what we want to do, we have here the push notification because everybody wants push notification. The problem is that they need to go inside Firebase and create a project, for example, this one. Okay? And we need the access to create this account. This is why we want a Firebase scope. And here inside, we need to create an app, for example, Android app. And this is why we need the scopes, because we need to create here an app, for example, Android app, let's say with the package name. Inside this app, we need to create the service account. So basically, we must have the scope to create the service account and download this file. And we need to create also the Google services, the Google services file, and we just download it from here. Okay, so we need those two files to create automatically, and also we need to have access to go and help him in the future for iOS. Basically, we need to give another access to our system that our support guys will be able to enter inside and install whatever that you want or fix if you did something well. And this is why we need the cloud. We do not access analytics, we do not access big data, we do not access anything. You can also see in our system. He can make it everything manually. See, they can just take the files, put them here, and they have all the instruction, everything here with screenshots, but it's very complicated for the persons. You know, there is a lot of problems, and then the push notification doesn't work, and they say it doesn't work, we have bugs. So what we are trying to do is just make it automatically that when they click here, we get the scopes that we need. We need the Firebase and the cloud scope to create the YAM and the user and the service account and the Google services file, and automatic upload it for them and set up the push that it works. And this is why we ask in these permissions. We don't do anything more than that. And Google Connect that you already approved in the future, in the past. But that's it. We just want people to click, do connect, and then they go through the process that I will show in the continue of the video, that you will see that they can do everything very fast. In 5 minutes, they will have an app with Firebase, and they continue from there. The account is their account. I don't want to hold people's account. It's belong to them. They can manage it, they can block access if they want, they can do whatever that they want. And of course, if they don't want to give us the access, it's okay. They can sign into the system manually, they can set up the push manually. It's not a must, it's only to help them. This is all what we're trying to do here. We don't touch anything else. In the next video, I will show exactly how it works and what scopes we asking for, and you will see that we don't ask something that it's out of the scope, or we take data that it's out of the scope. This is the only purpose. If it will change, then we will change it in the system and ask for a new scope. We are working since 2017. It's almost 10 years. We have clients. Okay, we enter the website, create my app. Okay. It's telling me that this is a website, WooCommerce website. Okay, now it tell me, okay, you can connect manually or you can connect with Google. You click connect by Google. Ask me what account. Let's say this account. No, the app is not verified yet. I hope you will verify it for me. Okay, we ask everything here. The policy. Continue. Okay, what we want from them. It's not verified. Yes, I know. See the 5 services. This is all the services that we like. To make the login in Firebase and configure the push. To continue. Okay, this is the screen. Continue to track the thing. Okay, now we need to build. My computer is a bit slow today. Okay, we need to install our plugin. Okay, creating Google Cloud project. Set up Firebase, okay. Now it's building the app, and the user will get an APK to test with push notification, and everything is done. Now it's applying the service account and the Google Services account inside the app setting, and built in the code. Compiling the app. And that's it. You can just download this APK and enjoy the app.